All right, welcome to another video presentation of the BlueSeer software application. BlueSeer is a free and open source ERP and EDI solutions package. It is an application that will be installed on your desktop. It is a desktop application, and BlueSeer can be installed on both Windows and Linux platforms. Most Linux distros, you can install BlueSeer on most Linux distros. But this video tutorial is going to show you how to download and install the BlueSeer software application on a Windows desktop, in particular Windows 10. So we're going to get started. We're going to go to the website, BlueSeer.com, and we're going to click the download menu, click Windows, and then we're going to click this link here, and that will kick off the download process. Now, while that's downloading, I would like to say that for the installation of any open source software on a Windows desktop, Microsoft has made it pretty difficult to actually do that, or at least painful. There is a link here that you can click on that will give you a good read on how to circumnavigate some of those hurdles and warnings that Microsoft provides for you. All out of the goodness of their heart, I reckon. Okay, the application is, the application has been downloaded, so we're going to double click on the download. And here's an example of those warnings and hurdles that they throw at you. Right off the bat, they throw this warning that they only give you the one option of don't run. But there are more options. You can click on more info, and then the run anyway button will be enabled. So we're going to click run anyway. And then there's another dialog box asking you if you want to install it. You just click yes. And then finally you come to the actual installation process. And it's only going to take a matter of minutes. From here on out, you can just choose the defaults. You click next, yes, choose English, next, and click install. And then that's it. It is fairly painless and very quick to do the install of BlueSeer on a Windows desktop. And then it is just about finished here. Now, once you've done the installation, you're going to want to do one additional action. Okay, so now that should have given us a shortcut on our desktop. So if we click the shortcut, double click the shortcut, the login and password for BlueSeer on the installation is admin and admin. And you're going to want to change that password after you get the application up and running. But one of the first things that the application, during the installation process, it will ask you is to choose the country of origin. Now what this is for the ERP portion of the application. It just wants to determine the default currency for this installation. It's a one-time dialog box. So we're going to click choose United States. Type in U. There we go. And then click commit. And it'll ask you to restart the application. Double click on BlueSeer again, admin and admin, and we're in. So that's it. That's the installation of BlueSeer software on the Windows 10 desktop. For the EDI portions of it, we have moved the EDI menu out into its own main menu, and it does have all the 4 pillars of EDI. It's got the configuration menus, translation menus with its own mapper, communications that has both API, AS2, and it does have FTP and FTP, secure FTP through SSH, an option as well. And then it has a workflow, which is the workflow is actually a very recent creation in this latest package. Again, the latest package is 6.7.2. This demonstrates the actual download and install of BlueSeer on the Windows 10 desktop. Again, it's a very short process. If you are maybe a manufacturing startup or a manufacturing customer, and you're looking for the lowest cost ERP you can get, you're not going to do any better than this, guaranteed. Particularly if you're a startup, I would encourage you to give this a spin. Do a little research. The documentation is on the website at BlueSeer.com, and just navigate through some of the menus and see if it has all the functionality that you need. And particularly it is EDI and ERP solutions integrated together, so it is a total package. Okay, if you have any questions or concerns as you navigate through it and you're doing some research, reach out to support@BlueSeer.com. In the help menu here, you can click on about, and there's more information, more contact information. You can go to the website. There's contact information there. The project source site is on GitHub, and you can go there. That's another place where you can actually enter a troubleshoot ticket, or if you want to actually download the source and use it yourself, then you're welcome to do so. By the way, if you're a consulting company or independent consultant, and you're looking for a package to deploy to some of your customers and provide your own implementation services and at cost, whatever cost you're doing that at, feel free to use this application to do that. Again, the documentation is on the website, and it's fairly easy to use. So with that said, if you have any questions or concerns, reach out. Otherwise, thank you.